Okay guys, so I am here at Linabo Peak, 3,003 steps up to the top, and we are about to do it right now. All right, so here we are. It actually looks like it's kind of a Stations of the Cross is what it was kind of designed for initially. I'm starting my ascent, and you can see, behind me here, like the first Stations of the Cross. If you're a Catholic background, you know what that is. Now this place in Dipolog is just 10 minutes from the city center, which is fantastic. I threw it up on the GPS and only 10 minutes. Now look at the noise from the insects. It's kind of rainy today, but rain or shine, I'm going all 3,003 steps up. Tomorrow I'll do a waterfall. It's kind of slippery here, but I'm digging Dipolog. I am. I like it a lot. I don't see it as a place for like a young single guy to hang out, but if you were wanting to settle down, this is quite a nice place. Here you have the second station for Stations of the Cross. I'm not counting steps here, but at least these steps are very well maintained. Now my friend, okay, so here we go. Here it marks the steps. We're at 100. There's quite a few to go. Quite a few to go. It's crazy. But my friend had did this, and he told me it took them about an hour and a half to go up. Oh crap. I can see some steep incline coming up here. I like that it's clean. I don't see any trash around. That's good. I can tell you this, I know my legs are going to be burning tomorrow. Stations of the Cross 3. 3,003. I'm just hitting 200 here. Here comes the rain. Maayong buntag. Kapoy. Maayong buntag. Okay, my watch just went off. Goal for steps climbed. Whew. Crap. My legs are burning already. We'll take a breather when we get up here. 300. 300. Maayong buntag. Kapoy. Stations of the Cross 4. Whew. Very friendly people, I've noticed here. I'm going to get up here and catch my breath. No mask wearing up here. 400. Fifth station. 500. Buntag.
Morning.
Morning. Stations of the Cross. Sixth station. Maayong buntag. Kapoy? Buntag. Here comes the rain. But it's kind of covered in canopy, so it's not too bad. 600. Here's down. Everybody's super friendly here. Smiles and good mornings. Whew. Buntag. 7th station. Whew. Looks like they're building something over here. 700. Almost 1/3 of the way. Almost 1/3. Bananas. Looks like somebody lives there. Whew. Well, this is good exercise. I will be well deserving of a really good big lunch. Shit. $800. I gotta stop for a minute. You got election signs all the way up here. 8th station. It's like plants with a coconut tree. Coconut shells. Maayong buntag. Kapoy ko. Oh, kapoy. Okay, we are at 900. My legs are burning for sure. Ninth station. Jesus falls the 3rd time. I gotta sit for a minute. 1/3 of the way and I'm feeling it. It's hot. It's a long ways up. I look forward to getting to the top and also going down. Wait for the old heart to slow down, get back into my chest again. All right, let's continue. I have a feeling when I'm done, what I'll probably do is go back to the hotel, shower, change, and go to this cool restaurant that I've been reading about that I want to go check out. Then I'll go to the boulevard for sunset. rain, hopefully no rain, and talk about Dipolog a bit, and also tomorrow, my last day here, I'll do a few waterfalls. And again to the boardwalk, maybe I can find some locals to talk to. That's always fun. I mean, very friendly people here in Dipolog. Everybody's just so friendly. I really dig the vibe here. So anyway, let's continue. My heart has gone back into my chest again. We can continue. Muntag. Kapoy? Well, this is easy. Up, that's hard. Okay. Officially at the 1/3 mark. 1,000. 1,100. Shit. This will take a couple hours. Whew. 10th station. th station. Mayong buntag. Mayong buntag.
Hey! Munta na giduha. Munta na giduha.
Well, I did not expect to see horses on the climb up 1,300. Interesting. Crazy. Always more fun in the Philippines. 12th station. Jesus dies on the cross. Oh, guys, I'm dying. Whew. It's a long ways up. Catch my breath again. Let's continue. I'm just drenched in sweat. I feel the weather getting a little cooler as I go up. 1,400. There was a lot of work put into this, for sure. 13th station. Jesus is taken down from the cross. Literally at the halfway point now. No stopping now. But sweet Jesus. If you're not in good shape, this is rough. But I saw some older ladies making the climb. If they can do it, I can do it. It's more about cardio for me. My legs aren't really so bad, but the cardio, like I can feel my heart just pounding. But as far as leg strength, I got the leg strength. Thank my army years for that. All right. As far as it being kind of an overcast, rainy day, I suppose this was a good day for it because it's less hot. Yeah. So there's 1,500. That's halfway. Oh, I look forward to going down. Guten Tag. Maayong buntag. Those kids can do it. Shit. I'm struggling. Over halfway. 14th station. Jesus in the land of the tomb. All right. We are about at 2,000 steps, 2/3 of the way. This is no joke. Let me tell you, it is no joke. Stairs are hard. Stairs are hard. Wow. But we're 2/3. If the top is disappointing, I'll be quite sad. But I can't imagine it is. I can kind of see some of the views already from over here. All right, let's continue. It's like a house, or looks like they would sell. Maybe there's even a ticket booth or something. I don't know. Who knows? I mean, look at all the buildup over here. Homes, maybe. I wish somebody sold some buko, fresh coconut water. I would be all over that right now. 1,900. 100 more to the 2/3 mark. Oh, people live here. Yeah, people. We got a sorry store. Let's see if it's open. Ayo. You have too big? Boog now? Okay. Pila? 20. Salamat. All right, so we got some cold water. We will continue. Is that the steps up this way? Oh, okay. I was going the wrong way. I think I was going into a church. It's literally like a little village. Manuk. Lechon manuk. Yeah, it's like a little village just in the middle of the 2/3 mark on the way up. People's homes and like a little village, and I think they probably just sprouted up just to sell drinks and stuff. You know, I don't know a lot of Bisayan, but I know enough to bring smiles on their faces when I speak, you know, whether I'm pronouncing it incorrectly or they're just amused that I can say a few words But it's always great to see their big smiles and expressions when they see that I speak a little Visayan. And hey, that's one of the things I love about the Philippines, just, oh, the smiles. There are no better smiles anywhere in the world. Now, this looks like it would be a little like waterfall when it's raining and stuff, I don't know. So if you get up to Dipolog and you've got all day or half the day, come out here and try this. Uh-oh. Maayong buntag. Morning. Buntag po. That was kind of scary. I was like, oh shit. Okay. We are at the 2,000 mark. But you can see that knowing a little Visayan and having a smile on your face goes a long way. You know, soldiers are people too. I was a soldier. A lot of people were soldiers. No different than anybody else. Taking another rest at the 2,000 mark. We are over the 2/3 mark. We're at 2,300 steps. And there's like another little village. So I thought I'd turn the camera back on and film going up here for the rest of the way. Just about there. Sorry, store. Right dead center through a village. 2,300 steps. Oh shit. Guys, I've made it to 2,800 steps, and it started to rain. There's like this little, I don't know what you call it, a little overhang with the rocks that I'm kind of seeking shelter in. I'll flip the camera around, you can see, but almost there. I'm gonna wait for the rain maybe, or either way, I'm going to the top, baby. I don't care, I'm going to the top. That's the rest of the way. You can see how overcast it is, so there won't be a great view. You can see it's kind of misty and rainy. I don't know what this place is. I guess some kind of electrical tower or something. I don't know. Radar station. Who knows? Ah, screw it. Let's keep going. We're almost there now. Is this it? Did I make it to the top? I think I made it to the top, guys. This is it. I don't know if I was expecting something more, but my God, what a journey up. Oh, it's raining hard. All right, guys, that was it. 3,003 steps. Literally the last 1,000 steps, I was stopping every 100 steps and catching my breath. I saw soldiers on the trail with rifles. I saw horses climbing up and down the stairs. Friendly people, rain. It was an adventure, man. I can tell you, my legs will feel it tomorrow. I will begin my descent down, but if you come out here, check out 3,003 steps, Linabo Peak or something. I think I may have pronounced that wrong. I'll put it on the bottom here. But I'm gonna go and go back to the room, probably wait for the rain, go get lunch, and go to the boulevard later. Thanks, guys, for watching my arduous, tiring journey up 3,003 steps. See you guys next time.